How to start a keyless car with a dead fob battery. Car manufacturers designed these vehicles with dead batteries in mind. Would you like to know how? Watch this video. How to start a keyless car with a dead fob battery. First, we need to get inside. Almost all keyless fobs have a hidden mechanical key inside them. Find the relay switch on your fob, slide out the metal key, insert it into the driver's door lock, and then turn it to unlock your car manually. Once you are inside, if you try to start the car normally by pushing the start button, it likely won't respond because it can't detect the dead fob signal. Here's the secret trick. Immobilizer systems have a passive chip inside the fob that doesn't require battery power at ultra close range. Take your dead key fob and hold it directly against or right next to the engine start-stop button. Keep your foot on the brake. Watch for the green indicator light to appear on the button and then press it. Your car will start right up.